So you just picked up a brand new Tesla, whether it's a new Model Y, whether it's a Model 3, the new refreshed Model S or Model X, and the first thing on your mind is probably going to be, how do I keep it looking brand new for the duration of my ownership? Well, with our Defense Plus line of do-it-yourself matte and clear paint protection films, as well as our Defense Plus line of ceramic coatings, we are going to take you in this video with this 2026 Tesla Model Y in Quicksilver. We're going to take you through the entire journey of protecting this car so you can enjoy the vehicle guilt-free, worry-free for the duration of your ownership, all while saving yourself thousands of dollars. We did full matte paint protection film with our Defense Plus DIY paint protection film, as well as the full ceramic coatings on the exterior and on the interior. And if you got this done at a professional installation shop, you'd probably be looking at anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000, if not more, depending where you are in North America. You can do this all for under $2,500 USD. We'll show you how. Links will be in the description below. Let's get into it. So you're probably wondering, what do I all get when I buy it from Drive Protected? Do I just get the PPF? Do I have to figure out how to install it myself? When you buy from Drive Protected, you get an entire team behind you. We send you the PPF that's needed to wrap your vehicle, whether you want to wrap your full vehicle in our Defense Plus matte paint protection film, or whether you just want to do the front bumper of your new Tesla Model Y. We send you the film, the tools needed to do the installation, as well as a full customer support team ready to handle any question you may have about your installation. We take you from the prep, how to prep your vehicle for the installation. We take you from right into the installation, step by step, how to line the paint protection film up, where to stretch it to, how to deal with seams, and then we also take you through how to post heat your paint protection film to get your vehicle ready to tackle whatever the road may throw at it. You're probably wondering, what happens if I make a mistake if this is my first time installing paint protection film? We got you covered. With our risk-free guarantee, if you make a mistake during your installation, simply take a photo of the mistake that you made or a video, send it to us. Our customer support team will review it. We will send you corrective measures that you can take to avoid that mistake from happening again, and we'll also send you out a free replacement panel. All you cover is the cost of shipping. All of our Defense Plus paint protection film patterns for your Tesla, they come pre-cut, so you do not have to cut on your vehicle, no trimming required. Our Defense Plus paint protection film comes with a 10-year warranty against yellowing, comes with a self-healing top coat, which means that light scratches will self-heal under direct heat from the sun or hot water. It also comes with a hydrophobic top coat, which kind of acts like a ceramic coating built into the film, and it's going to help keep your Tesla a whole lot easier to keep clean. Now that we are done installing the Defense Plus matte paint protection film on this Quicksilver Tesla Model Y, it's time to ceramic coat it using our Paint and PPF ceramic coating. This ceramic coating is going to make this wrap really easy to keep clean long term. Bug guts, bird droppings don't stand a chance. This ceramic coating, if maintained properly and washed regularly, you can get 3 to 5 years of life out of it. Now that we have finished installing the Defense Plus paint and PPF ceramic coating on the exterior, it's time to move to the interior, and we're going to be using our Defense Plus leather ceramic coating. This leather ceramic coating is designed to work really well with the vegan leather seats inside Teslas, and it helps make gene transfer super easy to clean off, as well as anything else that you could potentially spill inside your Tesla. This ceramic coating is installed once per year, Now that the entire vehicle has been ceramic coated, now the last ceramic coating that we're going to be installing on this Tesla Model Y is our Defense Plus glass ceramic coating. We're going to be installing this on all of the exterior glass surfaces, and this is going to make the water bead right off the glass while you're driving. It's going to make keeping those windows clean super easy, and it's just going to make your overall driving experience so much better. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video and you got a brand new Tesla on order, or you just took delivery of a new Tesla and you're thinking of saving thousands of dollars by protecting it yourself, all of the items used in this video would be linked down below to our website, driveprotected.com, along with a special 10% off discount code that you guys can use to save yourself even more money when it comes time to protect your Tesla. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We'll get you guys in the next one.